Adorable children, math is fun. Welcome to this do-along video on grouping. What is a group? A group is a collection, as we can see here. A collection of objects, things or anything is a group. Here we have a collection, a group of cuboids. A cuboid is a rectangle box. Yes. So now let us group these cuboids systematically. Can we form groups of 1? Come on, let's get started. Lovely. So how many groups of 1 have you made?
8.
Can we count? 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Lovely. So how many ones do we have?
8.
How many groups of 1 do we have?
8. 8 groups.
8 groups of 1.
8 groups of 1.
Lovely. Here we have 8 groups of 1. Now let's put these groups of 1 back into the main collection. Let us now form groups of 2 using these cuboids. Let us now form groups of 2 using these cuboids. Lovely. So what do we have here? We have groups of
2.
2.
A group of 2. A group of 2. Group of 2. A group of 2. A group of 2. A group of 2.
Excellent. Now can we count how many groups of 2 do we have here?
6.
Can you count and show us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Splendid. So we have 6 groups of
2s.
Yes, and they look beautiful. Put them back into the collection, please. Just scoop them and add them to the collection. Can we now form groups of 3s? Would you like to give it a try?
Yes.
Get started. Math is fun. 3 words. Point to the 3 words. Math
Is
fun. So let's make groups of 3. Lovely. You have made one group of 3. Another group of 3. Another group of 3. One, 2, 3. One more group of 3. One, 2, 3. One more group of 3. 1, 2, 3. Another group of 3. Do you like making groups of 3?
Yes.
These look like flags, don't they?
Yes.
Can we stop, or would you like to make some more groups?
Some more groups.
Some more groups. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. You're filling the math with groups of
3. 3.
lovely. Now that we have run out of space on the mat, can we count how many groups of 3 we have made? Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So how many groups of 3 do we have?
9 groups of 3.
Excellent. 9 groups of 3 look so lovely. Point to the group of 3 that looks like that has the same colors as the flag of our country. Yes, lovely. Now let's move on to the next challenge. Do not add these to the main collection. Keep these groups of 3 as they are and turn them into groups of 4. Do you think you can do it?
Yes.
Yes, we can do anything we put our mind to. Lovely. So you're adding one more to each group of 3 and making it a group of
4.
4. Excellent. Now we have groups of
4.
Can we count how many groups of 4 we have?
Yes. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we have
9 groups of 4.
4. 9 groups of 4. Lovely. Now I'm going to share with you another way of saying 9 groups of 4. We can call them 9 fours. We can call them 9 fours. Let's count.
1 4, 2 4, 3 4,
3 fours,
4 fours,
5 fours,
fours,
6 fours, 7 fours, 8 fours, 9 fours. Yes, so we have learnt another way of calling this collection. We can call it 4 groups of 9, and we can also call this collection, oops, that was a mistake. We cannot call this collection 4 groups of 9 because this collection is
9 groups of 4.
Yes, these are 9 groups of 4. Now, I'll throw you a challenge. Remove a few groups of 4 from this set of groups to make it 5 groups of 4. To make it 5 fours. So let us count the groups we will keep. So we do not want 9 groups of 4. We want only 5 groups of 4. So can you point to the groups that we will keep? 1 4, 2 fours, 3 fours, 4 fours, 5 fours. Can we do away with the rest of the groups of 4s?
Yes.
Lovely. Add them to the main collection. We've done it. So we have made 9 groups of 4 into 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of
4.
And we can also call it 5 fours. Repeat. 5 fours. I'm now going to remove a few groups from these groups of 4, and you are going to tell me how many 4s we have left. How many 4s do we have now?
3 4s.
Excellent. We have 3 4s.
1
4.
4, 2 4, 3. 3 4s.
Yes. So we say 1 4s,
4s,
2
2
4s,
4s,
3
3
4s.
4s.
1
1
4,
4,
2 4s, 3 4s. Let us end by making 2 groups of 5. Are you ready?
Yes.
Splendid. Can we count the groups of 5?
1 groups of 5, 2 groups of 5s.
Yes. So we say 1 group of 5. Yes, we do not say 1 groups of 5. We say 1 group of 5. 2 groups of 5. 1, 2. 2 groups of 5. Now here's a test. How many groups of 5 are these? Count aloud and show us.
1 group of 5, 2 group of 5,
2 groups of 5.
3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5.
Splendid! We have 4 groups of 5. How else can we refer to these groups of 5?
4 5s.
Excellent, 4 5s. Let us count. 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s, 4 5s. Splendid. So adorable, children. Take a collection of any objects. It could be pencils, it could be crayons, toys, blocks, anything that you'd like to. And practice forming groups. Groups of 1, groups of 2, groups of 3, groups of 4, groups of 5. We end with a little quiz. Point to the group of 2. Splendid. Point to the group of 5. Brilliant. Point to the group of only 1. Fantastic. Point to the group of 3. Bravo. Now think, which is the group I have not yet asked you to point to? The group of
4.
excellent. Point to the group of 4. Lovely.
Thank you for watching this do-along video by Kids Kingdom International School. Math is fun. Grouping.